Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. In this moment, I will present my report of the research. The title is Argument-Driven Inquiry and Chemistry Learning, Enhancing Student Argument Skills and Attitude Toward Chemistry. I am Risa Rahmawati Sunarya, and the other authors, Lenggustini, Cucu Jenab Subarkah, and Dida Halimah. We are from Chemical Education Study Program, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. The outline of the presentation, the first is introduction, the method, result and discussion, conclusion, reference, and acknowledgement. In the first, for introduction, we know that in US-based partnership for 21st century skill, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity is the needed competency in 21st century. And also in 2013 curriculum, communication skill and clear and critical thinking skill is the focus developed in our country. And we know in PISA 2018 result, Indonesia in the 7th place out from 78 countries. And because of that, we have to get the solution. One of the solution is implementation of AD model. Part 4, the first to observing the argumentation skill, and the second to observing the attitude toward chemistry. The method, the first, the subject of our research is undergraduate student in basic chemistry class at Chemical Education Study Program, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. And then the research approach is a qualitative approach with a descriptive method, data collection technique using observation, retest, and documentation. And the stage of research, the first pre-research, including preparation, research instrumentation, and then the research, and the last post-research, including data processing, data redaction, data display, and analysis of research data. Result and discussion. We discussed this report in two sections. The first one on student argumentation skill of the concept salt hydrolysis, and the second on the student attitude toward chemistry. In the first section is about argumentation skill. We can see from the table 1 that it shows argumentation skill of student in high academic group get the highest score among the other groups. The average score obtained 60, while the lowest score is obtained by low academic achievement with the score 54. Argumentation were classified by Ergurat. Observation results showed that most of students only report data and claim without strong explanation. In level 1, and a few students in high achievement able to generate argument with defined rebuttal. It's level 4. We can see in the diagram that the high academic achievement student get the high score in presentation skill and also in argumentation skill. And for the middle and low academic achievement group have the score lower than the high achievement, but not really different. It shows that ID model can enhance the presentation skill and argumentation skill for all students in all level academic achievement. And then the second part of our research is observing the attitude toward chemistry for all achievement group, high, middle, and low, that we can see in table 2. The student attitude toward chemistry in high achievement group with average 91. Meanwhile, the average of attitude toward chemistry is highest score, highest category is responsibility. Yes, the attitude that developed observing in our research is discipline, honest, and responsibility. We can see in this diagram that responsibility show the high score for all level achievement. The conclusion of our research: the first, the ideal learning model provide opportunities for students to involve in many activities such as generation of argument, the discussion of finding, and improving attitude toward chemistry. The second, students with high academic achievement group saw the highest ability in argumentation skill and also in attitude toward chemistry. But the ID model improving argumentation skill and attitude toward chemistry of students in all academic achievement group. This is the reference we use in this presentation. Acknowledgement. The author, especially Nengustini and Risa Rahmawati Sunarya, acknowledge the Ministry of the Religious Affairs of the Republic Indonesia for funding this research in Wingsunan Gunung Jati di Paboptan Research Funding Program 2021. Thank you for attending my presentation. We hope we can share and discussion. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.